Hello students, so today we are going to solve the previous year question paper of IMO Olympiad in the year 2020-21 set A. So let's just start it. So the question number 1. Some letters are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as given. Arrange the letters to form a meaningful English word and select the correct option. Right? So see, to solve this question there are two types. Either first form a meaningful word or you can just look into the options. So whichever suits you the best, you can go that way. But sometimes forming a meaningful word will take some time. So I'll suggest just go with the options. First one is E, right? So the first, like if you go 2, it's E, then 1 is T, ET, then 4 is P, 3 is what, Y, and 5M. Okay, no, this is wrong. But from this I just got an idea that the word may be EMPTY, right? Empty, correct. So this is a meaningful word, right? So now 2, M is for 5, so just look where 2 and 5 are there. Okay, 2 and 5, so it's the second option, right? That's how you can save your time. Find the correct water image of the given word. Okay, SCIENCE. To form a water image, what you have to do? The image will form upside down. Okay, so E will be like this, C will again be the same. Now just look where the N, this point will be like this, correct? Right? See, this is on the opposite side, right? Then again E, then I will be again the same, C will also be the same. Now look, first curve should be here, so it will be like this, correct? Now just check where this option is. S C, wait, see, if you look the options, this C and this C are different, so anyways this option is wrong. Again this C and this C is correct, but E, both the E's are different. So you don't have to solve the question. If you just look at the options and if you have that much of common sense, you can just eliminate the options. Now this also, see, in this both these letters are like C and E are correctly written, so we have to check the remaining. Okay, N, see this N, this is a normal and this is not a water image, so the correct option will be D, correct? Let's move to the next question. Priya is facing northeast direction. First we'll just draw the direction, right? This is north, south, this will be east, this will be west, so this is northeast, right? She turns 135 degree clockwise. Clockwise is like this, right? So 135, this is 45 degree and this is 90 degree, correct? So this is 135 degree, she turned 135 degrees clockwise and then 90 degree anti-clockwise, correct? So in the end she is facing east again, right? So that is option number C. Which of the following options will complete the given pattern? Okay, see, circle is there, inside it is a square, right? Then square is there, inside it is triangle, then again triangle to circle, then circle to square, again square. See, whatever is in the center, next time it comes outside, and next figure, see, the pattern is circle, then square, then triangle, right? And it goes on like this. So after a square, so triangle will be the outside and this circle will be inside, so triangle and circle, option number C, correct? Let's move on to the next question. Select a figure from the options in which the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. Okay, so this line, okay, just look at this. Okay, so a cross line should be there. Okay, it's there, straight, right? But from here there is no line, right, like this, which will intersect this line again. So A is not there. Wait, we'll just look at the options again. See, if you look at the second, there are no chances because there is no such horizontal line, right? Again with this you cannot, again with this, wait, we have to check it here also properly. Oh, wait, look here, this is the line, right? This is the cross line, this is this straight line, right, and this is this line, right. So instead of looking for this side, you should have looked for the this side, correct. So yeah, option number A is the correct one, right. Question number 6, find the odd one out. Okay, square inside two triangles, pentagon inside 4, right. Then this is okay. Now focus on the pattern. See, you may think that this is two side, right. This is not a closed figure, so this may be the answer, but no. If you focus properly, this outside figure has 4 sides and inside has 3. Similarly, outside has 5 sides and inside figure has 4 sides. Outside polygon has 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and inside also has 6 sides, correct. In this, there are 3 sides in the outside polygon and 2 sides in the inside, right. So which one is breaking the pattern here? C. So C is the odd one out. Okay, so we'll solve the question number 7. Okay, now just look at these three numbers, 7, 8 and 2. Okay, what will happen if we add them? 7 plus 8 plus 2, what are we getting? 17, right. So 17 and 85, does they have any relation? 17 and 85, yes, 17 5s are 85, right. Also the next number, 9 3 12 and 1 13. Oh, 13 5s is also 65, right. So 6 5 11 and 4 15. So 15 5s are 75. So option number A is the correct one. Find the number of triangles in the given figure. Okay, we just have to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right. So these are the basic shapes. After that, 9 10, correct, and this reverse one is 11, right. So can you find more of them? 11. After 11, is there any more? No, 11. So option number B is the correct one. Okay, in a certain code language, cotton is coded as, okay, that's not a word, okay, it's DNUSPM. Then how will flower be written in the same language? Okay, see, the next word is TLMNO. Okay, this is O and this is minus 1. TU plus 1, TS minus 1, OP plus 1, and NM minus 1, right. So we got the pattern. So FLOWER. So F plus 1, what is F plus 1? G. L minus 1, what is before L? K, right. O plus 1, OP, correct. GKP, is there any? Okay, GKP, there are two options with the same thing. Okay, so this is minus 1, W minus 1, V, right. And after E plus 1, this will be F, PQR, QR, so right, Q. So GKPV, FQ, yes. So option number A is the correct one, right. Question number 10. How many different possible combinations of one cap and one t-shirt can be formed from the given caps and t-shirts? Okay, so how many caps are there? 5 caps. And how many t-shirts are there? 8. So the possible combinations are 5 into 8, that is 40. So option number A, correct. Moving on to the next question. Okay, there is a definite relationship between the figures on either side of the symbol. Identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing figure. Okay, so A, M and at the rate. Next time this moved here and this A moved here and A at the rate shifted here. Okay, so similarly this will shift here, that means it will be like this, hash, correct. K will move here in the center, so K, and S will move here, so it will be this. So S, K and hash, S, K and hash. Okay, so option number B. Understood? Next question. Which of the following options will complete the given pattern? Okay, 4M, 7P, 10S. See, 4, 7, gap of 3, 7 and 10, gap of 3, 10 and 13, gap of 3, 13 to 16, gap of 3, right? So 13 is the correct option. So either B or C. Now just check the difference between M and P. LM, M, N, O. So there are two letters, right? So gap of 2, P, Q and R. So again 2, S, T and U. That means gap of 2. So V will be there, right? Because after V, W, X and we will get Y. So again gap of 2. So V will be the perfect option. So option number C. How many elements are there between the fifth element from the left hand and ninth element from the right hand? Okay. How many elements are there between the fifth element from the left hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth element, and ninth element from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the ninth element, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements are there in between. Correct? So option number A. Introducing a man, Kanika said, he is the only son of my mother's mother. Okay. Let's say Kanika is here and she said he is the only son of my mother's, okay, Kanika's mother, okay, Kanika, right? And okay, Kanika is a girl. See, in relation we may use this square for male and circle for woman, right? So it will be easier. So Kanika's mother, right? And Kanika's mother's mother, son, correct? So who is he? Okay, Kanika's uncle, right? So how is Kanika related to the man? So he is uncle of Kanika. That means Kanika is niece of that man, right? Next question. There are 15 students in a row. Sahil is third from the left hand. Okay, so 15 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sahil is third from the left hand. This is Sahil. Dhruv is 8th from the right hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dhruv is 8th from the right hand. How many students are sitting between Sahil and Dhruv? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Option number A. It's easy one, right? In 1647.305, the place value of 6 is more than 3. Okay. What is the place value of 6? It is 600. And what is the place value of 3? It is 0.3. Correct? So we just have to subtract these. So what will we get? 10 we have to borrow. 10 minus 3 will be 7. This will be 599. Correct? So 599.7 is the correct option. That is option number A. Correct? Arrange the given fractions from smallest to greatest. Which is the smallest fraction? Okay, 1 by 4. If you solve this, you will get 0.25, right? Then 5 by 7. Just solve it. 0. What will we get? 50. 7 6 are 7 7s are 49, right? Reminder 1. So 7 1s are 7. 3. Okay, I guess this is fine. We'll check the next number. 3 upon 5. Okay, so it is 0.56 30, correct? So next is 2 upon 3, that is 0.6, that is 18, again 2, so it will go on 0.666666, right? So now we have to, if we have to arrange them from smallest to greatest, 1 by 4 is the smallest. Then after that, see, if it is recurring, it will go on and on, so we can just end it as like 6 7, right? So after that it will be 3 by 5, after it will be 2 by 3, and in the last 5 by 7. right? So just check the options: 5 by 7, 1 by 4, and 5 by 7 in the end, 3 by 5. So option number C, correct. Find the weight of P. Okay, see, P plus Q is equals to 15 kg 500 grams. Okay, and for this P plus Q, it is 23 kg, right? So how to solve it? You know, P plus Q is equals to 15 kg and 500 grams, right? So we'll just replace it here: 15 kg 500 grams, right, equals to 23 kg, correct. Now P is equals to 23 kg. We'll shift this number on other side and it will go subtracting the number. So 15 kg 500 grams. Can you do the subtraction? 23 kg 00 grams, and this will be 15 kg 500 grams, right? So this will be 500 and it will be 2, correct. 22 minus 15 is 7 kg 500 gram. Option number A, correct. Got it? Okay, now next question, question number 19. Okay, study the given table and find the value of Q minus P. Okay, see, this is, if this means if we add these two numbers, we'll get this sum. Okay, right? And if we add this number to this number, we should get Q. Okay, just solve that. 560715 plus 125618, right? So 8 plus 5 13, 3 carry 1 3, 7 plus 6 13, again 3 carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 1 6. So this is Q. Okay, and for P we have to add this number with this number. So it's 205678 plus 406891. Okay, so what is it? 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 7 16, so 6 carry 1, 8 6 are 14 plus 1 15, so 5 carry 1, 6 plus 6 12, so 1 4 plus 2 6. Okay, now we have to find out the value of Q minus P. So that is 68633 subtracted by 612569. Okay, now it's just the plain subtraction. 13 minus 9 will be 4, 2 again it we have to make it 12, 12 minus 6 is 6, again 12, 12 minus 5 is 7, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 1 is 7, and this is 0. So we get 73,764. So option number A. Got it? Fine. The product of 9th multiple of 14 and 6th multiple of 12. Okay, so what is 9th multiple of 14? What is 14 nines are? 14 nines are 126, right? And 6th multiple of 12, 12 6 are 72. Okay, so 6 into 2 is 12, so 2 carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 0 will be here. 7 6 are 42, so 2 carry 4, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18, so 8 carry 1, 7 1s are 7 and 1 8, right? So we get 2, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 2 10, so 0 carry 1, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so we get 9072. Fine, let's solve the next question. What is the sum of the shaded fractions of the given figure? What is the sum of the shaded fractions? So how many fraction parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 2s are 10. So in 10, it's 10 upon how many shaded are there? 3 upon 10 plus how many parts are here? Okay, see, these are not equal parts, so we have to make them equal. So if we put this line, they are equal, right? Also here also. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So out of 8 parts, how many parts are shaded? 3. So it is 3 upon 10 plus 3 upon 8, right? Now Now how to add those? Now we have to find out the LCM, but simply what we can do, what is the LCM? 40. So multiply by 4, 4, and here we have to multiply by 5, 5, right? So it will be 12 upon 40 plus 15 upon 40. So this is 27 by 40, and it is option number A. Got it? Okay, so now we will solve the question number 22. How many right angles will be formed by the hour hand of a clock while moving from 3 to 12? Okay, so we'll just draw clock. See, when it's at 3, from 3 to 6, it will form a one right angle, correct? Then from 6 to 9, it will form second right angle, and from 9 to 12, it will form its third right angle, right? So it's option number C. Okay, so now we'll solve the 23rd question. Find the unshaded area of the given figure. To find the unshaded area of this, right, what is unshaded area? This much part. So what we have to do, we have to first find out the area of ABCD, and after that subtract the area of this shaded part to get the area of unshaded part, correct? So first find out the area of ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle, so it is 12 into 4, that is length into breadth, correct? So what is 12 into 4? 48, correct? And what is the area of this shaded region? This is also a rectangle, so it is 3 into 2, 6, right? So if we subtract the shaded part from the complete figure, we will get the area of unshaded part, that is 42 square meter, sorry, centimeter. Okay, so that is option number C. 17 degree less than the temperature shown on the thermometer is. Now the thermometer, now okay, we'll just have a look at this from a close point of view. Okay, so what is it? This is 80, 81, 82, 83, and this is 84. So it is 84, and we have to subtract 17 out of it, right? So what it will be? So 7, so sorry, 4, 14, it will be 7, and 7 minus 1 is 6, so it should be 67. Okay, fine. Okay, it's option number D, right? The page got moved slightly, so option number D, it's 67, right? Fine. If the clock is 15 minutes fast, then what is the actual time? Okay, this is 15 minutes fast, that means we have to go 15 minutes previous. This is 5 minutes, then this is 10 minutes, and this is 15 minutes. So the time is 7, 1. Sorry, the minute hand is at 1, that means 7:05, right? Because 1 indicates 5 minutes. Now moving on to the next question. How many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? Okay, see, this is the one line of symmetry, we can say, but no, see, if we say this as a line of symmetry, what will happen? This is shaded, but this is not, so this won't be the line of symmetry, right? So let's look the second line. Okay, now if we break this part from here, this part is unshaded, unshaded, shaded to shaded, right? But again, this and this are not shaded, correct? So we don't have any line of symmetry, that means option number A, correct? Okay, so now we'll solve the question number 27. The number of runs scored by a player in 4 months is as follows. In which month the highest number of runs scored? Okay, so this is a question of Roman numericals. So M stands for 1000, C stands for 100, L stands for 50, X stands for 10, and V stands for 5. Okay, so D is also used, so D stands for 500, correct? So now in March, if if small letter comes before a bigger value, that means it is being subtracted, right? So C is 100 and M is 1000, that is 9, that will be 900. L is 50, X is 10, and 5, so 965. So in the month of March, it's 965. Now in the month of April, April is MC, that means 1000, then 100, right? Oh wait, MCM, that means 1000 plus 900. So 19, LX is 50 and 10, 60. Okay, so next MCCB, right? So M is 1000, 2 times M is 200 and 5. So 1205, right? Next is MCD. Okay, M means 1000, again C means 100. Okay, C comes before D, that means this will be 400, then 1 and this will be 9, right? So 1419. So in which month the highest number of runs are scored? In the month of April. So that is option number C. In international system 6078. Okay, so just in how international system works, comma after 3 letters, again comma after 3 letters. So it will be 6,078,529. So that is option number B. Okay, estimate the sum when rounded off to nearest thousands. Okay, so round off to nearest thousand, so this will become 16,000, correct, and this will become 46,000, right? 46,000. So if we add them, so space 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So it will be 62,000, option number B. Repeated. Okay, how many of the given figures have parallel lines? Okay, these have parallel lines. This also have parallel lines. Okay, these don't have parallel lines. So 1, 2. Okay, again here also parallel lines. 3. Here also parallel lines. 4. So total 4. So option number D. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Okay, so what is the perimeter? It is the sum of all the sides, right? So just add 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 10 25 30 36 37 40, then okay, 40 plus 2 42, 42 plus 4 46, and this is 49, right? But if you look at this, we left this side and this side, right? So but this is 6, so this will also be 6, and again 6, so we have to add plus 12, and this will give us 161, right? So the answer is option number C, 61, correct. Compare and fill in the box. 17 liter plus 28 liter minus 5 liter. Okay, so we have to add these. 17 liter plus 150 ml, okay, plus 28 liter 235 ml. Okay, so what will be the answer? 5 here, 5 plus 3 8, carry 1, 2 plus 4 2 plus 2 4, okay, and 7 plus 8 15, so 5 carry 1, and this is 4 45 liter 485 ml. Okay, and then we have to subtract 5 liter 50 ml from it, so 5 liter 50 ml subtraction, it will be 0 8 minus 5 3 and 4 as it is, and 45 minus 5 it's 40 liter. Okay, so this is 40 liter 430 ml. Now let's check the other side. It's 50 liter 638 ml subtracted by 41 liter 127 ml. Okay, we'll first do that. So 8 minus 7 is 1, 3 minus 2 is again 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, and 50 minus 41 is 9 liter. Got it? So 9 liter 511 ml. So after that we have to add 15 liter 29 ml. So 15 liter 29 ml. Okay, so 9 plus 1 10 0, right? Carry 1 2 plus 2 4 5 as it is, 19 plus 5 24 liter. Okay, so the answer is 24 liter 540 ml, plus again we have to add 15 liter to it, correct? So if we add 15 liter 29 ml, we will get 9 4 plus 2 6 5 as it is, and 24 plus 15 39, so 39 liter 569 ml. Okay, now which one is bigger? This one. So obviously the sign should be like this. That is option number A. Got it? Which of the following options shows the successor of the number given in the abacus? Okay, so in the abacus the letter given is 1, so successor will have two number, right? So in the end, in the place of ones, it should be 2, so option number B. Okay, so moving on to the next question, question number 34. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 25? Okay, so write all the prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, 19, 23. That's it. So count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 numbers are there which are prime numbers. Okay, so now question number 35. The given bar graph represents the number of toys manufactured by a company in 6 months. How many more number of toys manufactured in May and June together than in January? Okay, so in the month of January, the number of toys were 20,000. Okay, and May plus June. Okay, so in May, this is 35,000, and in June, it is 15,000. Right, so in the month of May and June the company manufactured 50,000 toys, and in January only 20,000. So how many more are there? 30,000. So that is option number A. Sonia wants to frame her 7 rectangular pictures, each of length 5 meter and breadth 3 meter. What length of wood will she need to make frames? Okay, so to make frame you need to form a perimeter, correct? And we know length is 5 meter and breadth is 3 meter. So what is the perimeter of one rectangular frame? It will be 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 5 plus 3, that is 2 into 8, and we'll get as 16, right? So 16 for one frame, but she wants to make 7 frames, so we'll multiply it by 7, correct? So 7 6 are 42, so 2 carry 4, 7 1s are 7, and 4 11, right? So 112 meter of wood she will need. A boy practiced for his school competition for 35 minutes every day. If he practiced for 11 days, then how many minutes did he spend in practice? Okay, 35 minutes every day, and he practiced for 11 days. That means 35 into 11. Okay, so 11 5s are 55, 5 carry 5, 11 3s are 33 plus 5, 38. So 385 minutes, right? And that is option number C. Arun bought an AC for 55,690, a laptop for 23,545, and an LED TV for 35,140. Find the total amount spent by him. Okay, it's just an addition question, right? So you just have to add all the three values to get the final answer. So hope you solve the question and write down the answer in the comments. An ant traveled 15 meter 67 centimeter on first day and 7 meter 54 centimeter more on second day than the first day. Find the distance covered by the ant on second day. Okay, so an ant traveled 15 meter and 67 centimeter on first day, and on second day she covered more 7 meter and 54 centimeters. Correct. So if we add this, we'll get the total distance covered by on second day. So 7 plus 4 11, carry 1, 6 plus 6 12, so 2 carry 1, 15 and 7 22 plus 1 23, so 23 meter and 21 centimeter. That is option number D, right? Now Mansi practices on her guitar 7.5 hours in a week. If she practices 1.5 hours on each day, then how many days does she practice each week? Okay, so 7.5, that will be 7.5. If you convert it into fraction or into decimal, you will get 7.5 hours in week, and 1.1.5, it will be 1.5 hours each day. That means 7.5 by 1.5 will give us 15 fives are, right? So 1.5, 7.5 divided by 1.5 is 5. So she practiced 5 days each week. Okay. The cost of 1 kg of potatoes and 1 kg of onions are given. If Rakesh bought 3 kg of potatoes, okay, so 3 kg of potatoes, right, and 5 kg of onions, 35.70. What is the total amount paid by him? Okay, so 25.20 into 3. This will be 0, 3 2s are 6, decimal as it is, 5 3s are 15, so 5 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Okay, and 5 kgs of onions, that is 35.70 into 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, so 5 carry 3, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28, decimal 28 carry 2, 5 3s are 15 and 2 17. It's 178.50. We have to find out the total amount, right? So we have to add both the values. 75.60, 0 0 6 5 11, so 1 carry 1, 8 5s are 8 plus 6 14, so 4 carry 1, 7 7 14 plus 1 15, 5 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, so 254.10, that is option number D, right? Next, Rishi had a box containing 240 packets of pencil. If he gave 1/4 of packets to his sister, how many packets will be left with him? Okay, so if he has 240 pencils and he gives away 1/4, so we'll first find out the 1/4. How many pencils are 1/4 pencils? So 4 6, so 60 pencils he gave to his sister, correct? Now if we subtract 60 from 240, we'll get the number of pencils he's left with. So he has only 180 pencil, correct? So that is option number A. Okay, so now question number 43. A shopkeeper has 54,120 kites in his shop. He bought 40,105 kites more. Okay, so 40,105 kites more. That means how many kites he have now? 5, 2, 2, 4, 9. He has 94,225 kites and he sold 75,000 kites. Okay, so he sold, that means we'll subtract this figure, 75,325. So we'll get 0 0, 12 minus 3 is 9, 4 will be 3, 3 minus 5 again, so this will be 13, 13 minus 5 is 8 and 8 minus 7 is 1, so 18,900 kites will be left in his shop. Now question number 44. 9,05,472 books are to be arranged equally in shelves. If 384 books are arranged in each shelf, then how many shelves will be needed? Okay, so for this we'll need to divide this number, right? It is 905,472 divided by 384. Okay, there is one trick you should try. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll just do it by normal division. 384 2s will be 600, 700 something, correct? And after if we take 3, then it will be 900 plus, right? So we should take 2. So what is 384 into 2? 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 6 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, so it should be 768, correct? So what will we get? 5 minus 8, so 15 minus 8, right? So 15 minus 8 is 7, this is 9 minus 6, right? 9 minus 6 will be 3 and 8 minus 7 will be 1 and the next letter will be 4. Okay, so if we take now 3, it will be 1000, but if we take 4, it will be more than 1300, right? So we should take 3 only. So 384 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25, 5 carry 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, so 1152. Okay, what we get? 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, and we get 7. Right? Okay, so now again you'll have to think 3 sevens are 21, right? But still there will be 784, so it will be more than that, so we should go with 6. So 384 into 6. Okay, let's check. 6 fours are 24, so 4 carry 2, 48 plus 2 50, so 0 carry 5, 18 plus 5 23. Okay, so 6 is also bigger, correct? So we should go with 5. So 5 fours are 20, 0 carry 2, 8 fives are 40 plus 2 42, 15 plus 4 19, so 19 20, and in 20 we get 7 0. 22 minus 19 will be, see, this will be 2, 12 and 3 1, right? So 307, and this will be 2. Okay, so now 8, let's try 8. 384 into 8. How I thought of that? See, if I multiply 4 into 8, in the end I will always get 2, correct? So in the unit place there is also 2, so we should try with 8. So 8 fours are 32, 2 carry 3, 8 8s are 64 plus 3 67, so 7 carry 6, 8 8 3s are 24 plus 6 30. Okay, right? So we got 3072, and the answer will be, that means it is 2368. So 2368, sorry, not 6, we used 5, right? Not 6, we used 5. 2358, so that is option number B. Sahil bought 2 bottles of oil. Bottle A contains 89.15 liter of oil. Okay, so bottle A has 89.15 liter of oil, and bottle B contains 233.321 liter of oil. Okay, 321 liter of oil. How much more oil is in bottle B? Okay, so we'll have to subtract this 89.15 from this number, right? So if we subtracted 1, 2, this will be 12 minus 5 will be 7, 2 minus 1 is 1.3. This is, we cannot subtract 3, so we borrow. 13 minus 9 will be 4, again this 3 will be 2, but we have to borrow 1, so 12 minus 8 will be 4, correct? And this will be 1 as it is, so 144.171 liter of oil is more, right? That is option B. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. In international system of numeration, there is only one comma in a 6-digit number, which is put after the tens place. Okay, in international, okay, so in international, no. In Indian, we put, okay, no. In, let's say, a number 5 8 3 2 1 0, after tens place we never put a comma after tens place, so statement 1 is wrong, right? Statement 2, 5 digits number are read in the same both Indian and international system of numeration. Okay, so let's take 58,235. Yes, 5 digit number US international is also read as 558,000. In India we also read it as 58,000, correct? So statement 1 is false, but statement true, sentence 2 is true. That is option number D. Match the following and select the correct option. Okay, so HCF of 17 and 85, 17 and 85. So what are, 17 is a prime number, right? So there are no factors for 17, so 17 will be as it is. And for 85, 85 can be written as 17 into 5, right? So the HCF will be only common number, that is 17, right? So that's, this should be, one should be connected to R. That is done in the first and third, so the option will be either A or C. Now let's just look at the second. LCM of 8, 12 and 18, right? Okay, So if we divide it by 2, we'll get 4, 6 and 9. Now again 2, we have to do 2, 3, 9 will be as it is. Then again I'll divide it with 2, so I'll get 1, 3 and 9. Then 3, if we take 3, we'll get 1 and 3. Again there will be 1, 3. Sorry. Again there will be 1, 3. That's it. 1, 1, 1. Correct. So the LCM is 2 3s are 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 3 24 into 3. So what is 24 into 3? 72. So that is S. So 2 is connected to S, and that is only in option number C. Right? Study the given figures carefully. Find the sum of the shaded fractions of both the figures. Okay, how many shaded parts are there? How many total parts are there? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 3, 15. And how many shaded out of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Correct? 8 are shaded. And in the second diagram, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 parts are there, out of which 4 parts are shaded. Correct? So now we have to find out the LCM. Correct? So what is the LCM of 15 and 6? 30. Right? So 15 into 2, we have to multiply with 2. 15 into 2 plus 4 into 5 and 6 into also 5. So it will be 16 plus 20 upon 30. That is 36 upon 30 and 30. So 6 6 and 6 5, so it will be 6 upon 5, and this is the only option in B. So we don't even have to check the second part. Correct? Read the given statements carefully and state T for true and F for false. Okay, so let's try the first one. Convert them into mixed fractions. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23 upon 4 plus 7 8s are 56 plus 1 57. So 57 upon 8. Right? So to find LCM, we just have to multiply it with 2. So 23 into 2 will be 46 upon 8 plus 57. Correct? So it will be 3 carry 1, 5 and 5 10. So 103 by 8. Okay, and after that we have to subtract 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So 5 upon 3 from it. Right? Now what is the LCM of 8 and 3? 24. Correct? So we have to multiply with 3 from here and with 8 from here. Right? So it will be 309 minus 40 upon 24. Correct? So it is nowhere near 115. Correct? So the first one is false. Correct? Now we have option like B and C options left. Okay, so part 2, the difference between 3 tens, 15 tens. Okay, 3 tens means it will be 30, 15 tenths, that means it will be 15 by 10, and 12 hundredths, right? So 12 by 100. So this is 30 plus 1.5 plus 0.12. Correct? If we add it, we'll get 31.62. Correct? And 2 tenths, that means 2 tenths plus 11 tenth plus 32,000th. Right? If we add this, what we'll get? 1.1 plus 0.032. Correct? Now add this 1.1, 0.032 and 20. It will be 231.21. Right? So 21.132. Fine? And 31.62. The difference between this and this. Okay, so 31.62 minus 21.132. Okay, so it will be 2 10 minus 2 8. 2 will be 1 1 11 minus 3 will again be 8. 6, this will be 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, then 31 minus 21 will be 10. So yes, the second part is true, right? That means option number B is correct. Got it? Last question, question number 50. The given graph shows the number of students absent in a school on 5 consecutive days. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Find the total number of students absent in 5 days. Okay, so this is students absent. So on first day 15, then 25, then this is 10, then Thursday 5, and then on Friday again 15, right? So how many total students are absent? 5 plus 5 10, and 10 plus 10 20, so 0 carry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 4 5 6 7, and 70 students are absent total. That means either option A or option C. Now check the part 2. What is the fraction of number of students absent on Thursday to the total number of absent in all the 5 days? Okay, all the 5 days 70, and students absent on Thursday. On Thursday only 5 students were absent, so it should be 5 ones are 5, remainder 2, so 40. So 1 by 14, and that is option number C. Hope you got all the questions right. If you have not understood any question, you can write down in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thank you.